Want every Fillout form submission to appear automatically in Google Sheets? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Fillout to Google Sheets step by step. Once the connection is set up, your responses can be synced automatically, making it much easier to organize and manage your data. First, open the Fillout website and sign in to your account. After logging in, open the form that you want to connect with Google Sheets. Inside your form editor, look for the integration section. This is where you can connect Fillout with different services, including Google Sheets and other supported applications. Next, select Google Sheets and choose to connect your Google account if you haven't already. Sign in with the Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to use, then approve the requested permissions so Fillout can access your spreadsheets. After your Google account is connected, choose an existing spreadsheet or create a new one if that option is available. Then select the worksheet where you want new form responses to be stored. Now review how your Fillout fields match the spreadsheet columns. In most cases, Fillout maps the fields automatically, but you can adjust them if necessary to make sure every response is saved in the correct column. Once everything is configured, save the integration and submit a test response through your form. Then open your Google Sheet to confirm that the information appears correctly. If everything looks good, your integration is ready to use. And that's it. Your Fillout form is now connected to Google Sheets, and future submissions can automatically sync to your spreadsheet. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.